morning, take afternoon, take evening, depending on when you're watching the video. Okay, guys, I really hope you guys are doing fine. So, guys, this morning I want to be making yes, I want to be making breakfast of concoction rice. Yeah, I want to make concoction rice after jellof rice, as the funny call it. Yeah, so I want to carry you guys along on how I prepare or how I do prepare my concoction rice. Yeah, my African jellof rice, oil rice. Yeah. So guys, come with me while I prepare my concoction rice. So guys, I've prepped what I want to use in preparing it. This is the blended um, pepper and onions. This is the egg I'm going to be using. This is scent leaf. This is crayfish. And this is tomo that I'll be using for the rice. And this is the rice itself. This happens to be the rice, yeah. This is a fish. I've already deboned it. So this is the fish I'm going to be using. Smoked fish. Then these are the seasonings I'll be using for the rice, and this is my salt. So guys, let's dive into this is my palm oil. Let's dive into the cooking proper. So guys, let's start cooking now. Next, I'll be adding my blended pepper and onions mix. Some. And I'll add little of this seasoning. And stir. And allow it to cook a little. Next, I'll be adding my cow skin. And I'll stir it. So guys, it's now boiling. Right now I'll be adding my fish. I'll be adding my smoked fish to this.
Fam, in the process of making this video, my camera stopped recording, hence I couldn't get other clips of the cooking process. Please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.
So guys, I've added the scent leaf and I'm turning it.
So guys, I'm preparing plantain for the rice. The rice is ready and I'm making plantain for it. Guys, I've finished dishing and that's how it looks like.